back to Vong Vlogs. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vong and I'm an immigration and refugee lawyer in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And today we're coming to you from outside of the Immigration and Refugee Board in downtown Toronto. Now in our last video, we spoke a little bit about my process of how I prepare my clients for the refugee hearing. And in today's video, we're going to talk about what a refugee hearing actually looks like. It's important to keep in mind that in today's video, we are not talking about the expedited claim process, and we are also not talking about the short hearing process. And as always, remember, nothing in this video constitutes legal advice. If you have a case-specific inquiry, I highly encourage you to speak to a legal professional. Okay, let's get started. Now, hearings begin at either 8:45 a.m. or 1 o'clock p.m. I always ask that my clients arrive half an hour early for several reasons. First, there may be traffic or some kind of transit delay, and you do not want to be late. Second of all, you need to sign in and let the board know that you're here. Third, I want my clients to arrive early so that if we do need an interpreter at the hearing, they have plenty of time to speak with the interpreter to make sure that they understand one another. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of having accurate interpretation at your refugee hearing. Now, when you go into the hearing room, the room itself is relatively spacious. The board member will sit at the front of the room at their desk. Then, there are 3 other tables in the room, arranged in the shape of a U. The refugee claimant sits directly across from the board member, and if there's an interpreter, the interpreter will sit beside the refugee claimant. If there's more than one refugee claimant, the other claimants who are not testifying generally sit at the back of the room on the chairs provided. As counsel, I always sit to the right of my clients. The hearing begins with the board member swearing in the interpreter and asking all of the claimants to take an oath or a solemn affirmation to tell the truth. If you wish to swear an oath on a religious text, you have the option of bringing your own. In most situations, the board member will ask questions first. They generally ask questions related to the reasons of why you came to Canada, when you came to Canada, and what would happen to you if you were to return. Then, if it's necessary, I, as counsel, will ask my clients any follow-up questions that I have, either to cover information that we may have missed or to clear up any misunderstandings. The board member at this point may choose to ask further questions. Once questioning is done, it's my turn to provide submissions to the board. These are the legal arguments about why and how my client fits the definition of a refugee under Canadian law. Depending on the time and on how many issues are left on the table, submissions are either delivered orally at the hearing or in writing after the hearing. And then we wait. In general, as of this time, it takes about 1 to 2 months to receive a written decision in the mail. Sometimes the board member also gives their decision orally at the hearing. So there you have it, folks, what a refugee hearing looks like in Canada. I hope you found the video fun and informative, and if you learned anything new, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave me a comment. Also be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. And if there's an immigration program that you're curious to learn more about, let me know and leave me a comment, and maybe we can make a video about it next time. As always, thanks for watching. Bye for now.